Hi, today in this video, we will discuss getting a free Motorola phone from the government. The government offers a Lifeline assistance program that provides free or discounted phone service to low-income individuals and families. To qualify for Lifeline, you must meet certain income requirements. You can find out if you qualify by visiting the Lifeline National Verifier website. Once you have determined that you qualify for Lifeline, you can choose a participating phone provider. Many providers offer Lifeline services, including Assurance Wireless, Stand-Up Wireless, and Q-Link Wireless. Most Lifeline providers offer a free Motorola phone as part of their service. The specific model of phone that you receive may vary depending on the provider. To get a free Motorola phone from the government, you must apply for Lifeline and choose a participating phone provider. The application process is usually straightforward. Getting a free Motorola phone from the government can be a great way to stay connected with friends and family, access important information, and find job opportunities. If you are eligible for Lifeline, apply for a free phone today. Thanks for watching.